Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Volvo XC90 headlight bulb. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, a T25 Torx bit, and of course, your new headlight bulb. Before starting, make sure your Volvo is parked safely on a level surface and the engine is completely cool. For your safety, always remember to wear protective gloves and safety glasses when handling automotive components. Now, let's access the headlight assembly. Begin by opening your Volvo's hood. You'll see two retaining pins located on the top of the headlight unit. Gently pull these pins straight up and out to release the assembly. Once the pins are removed, carefully slide the entire headlight unit forward. This action will disconnect it from the vehicle's electrical connectors, allowing you to remove it completely. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful car maintenance guides. And on another note, while you're tackling projects like this, an Echo Dot smart speaker can be a fantastic companion, playing your favorite tunes or podcasts to keep you entertained. You can find a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. With the headlight assembly removed, you can now replace the bulb. First, disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the bulb. Then, twist the bulb holder counterclockwise to release the old bulb from its housing. Carefully remove the old bulb. Now, insert your new bulb into the holder, twist it clockwise to secure it firmly, and finally, reconnect the electrical connector. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with bare hands.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.